how to add SMS on password page in your Shopify. So if you want to go ahead and do this, you will need to use either Shopify's built-in customer accounts, and if is eligible for you, with a phone login or a third-party app. Since SMS isn't fully customizable on the default password page, so first of all, go ahead to your settings in your Shopify account, and then you're going to have to go to the customer accounts. Here you can enable the new customer account system that will support phone number login, and this will allow the customers to sign in using a one-time SMS code instead of a password. But you're going to note that it does replace the traditional password flow rather than adding SMS directly onto the same page. But if you want to do that and add the SMS specifically on a custom password or login page, then you're going to have to install an app like an SMS authentication or OTP login from the Shopify App Store. So stay in your settings and then go to your apps and then go to the Shopify App Store. So an app that can similarly do this is this app, which is Yotpo over here. Been used to do something like this. So choose this one that says email marketing and SMS. You're going to go ahead and choose that one, of course, and press on install. So the following app, you should set it up to enable phone number fields and OTP verification, and then you're going to have to embed the provided code or widget into your theme's login template. So you're going to have access to that, of course, since it's yours. It's usually going to say customers/login.liquid or something similar to that. Some apps also let you customize the UI so users can choose between email slash or password or the SMS login that we were talking about. So in short, native Shopify only supports SMS via the modern customer accounts, but if you want the login page or the password page to embed or input your SMS, you can use an external app, and one of these apps is Yotpo. So just go ahead and proceed with the installation, and there should be a simple process on how you can continue with the procedure. But hopefully the idea or information can help you with this process. So if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.